Launch CRP129E is an evolutionary smart diagnostic tool for passenger vehicles with a 5-inch touchscreen, 4,000 mAh built-in battery, featuring powerful functions and providing precise test results. When you connect the Launch CRP129E to the vehicle, it will start the auto detect process. Then a diagnostic report will be automatically generated and can be shared to an email. The Launch CRP129E can be used to perform common repair and maintenance items. Including electronic parking brake reset, oil lamp reset, steering angle calibration, electronic throttle position reset, and TPMS reset. The Launch CRP129E supports reading and clearing fault codes for major systems, covers 10 full OBD2 modes, read and clear fault codes, live data, IM readiness, O2 sensors, advanced onboard monitoring, and EVAP tests. The Launch CRP129E supports reading all live data. Combined live data can be graphed and analyzed. In addition, its powerful record function can let you review live data anytime. The battery voltage test function helps to monitor the vehicle's battery condition. The Launch CRP129E is Android-based. It supports one-click update, the ability to share captured pictures and diagnostic reports to email. The Launch CRP129E covers 9 languages. It covers most major vehicles all over the world, up to 80 domestic, Asian, and European vehicle brands. It's the best choice for DIY users and professional mechanics.